What a performance, ladies and gentlemen. What an opening act. This is Sparsh Shah, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the dynamic Sparsh. Wow.
Thank you.
All right. So this is the time to kickstart the FIA Awards night with a beautiful, beautiful celebration beginning with this beautiful performance. But FIA is nothing without the FIA board, FIA members. So before we start, I want to bring the founder of FIA,
Absolutely.
the chairman of FIA, the Karta Dharta of FIA. Please put your hands together for Sunil Shah! And along with him, Rita Shah ji. Please come. बेटर हाफ के बगैर मत आइए, अगर मैं भूल भी जाऊं तो रीटा जी और सुनील जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Ladies and gentlemen, founder, president, Mr. Sunil Shah, along with the first lady, Mrs. Rita Shah.
सुनील भाई, रीटा जी, जोरदार तालियां. सुनील भाई, first of all, congratulations and a very, very happy India's Independence Day. And we'll hand over a microphone to you.
Good evening. Thank you, Jesse, for the kind introduction. Honorable Consul General Somnath ji, Honorable Congressman Raja Krishnamurthy, dignitaries, distinguished guests, and all my FI family. As the chairman of Federation of Indian Associations, I'm honored and pleased to extend a heartfelt welcome to you all to this epic celebration of India's Independence Day festivities, bolstered by spectacular awards gala. I'm truly excited and privileged to declare that this day marks the crowning glory of FIA as it has crossed a grand milestone of 15 years, marked by the trajectory of phenomenal growth and towering accomplishments. While passionately engaging and strengthening, steering, and serving the community, and stoically stay absorbed in promoting the larger interests and goals of the Indian diaspora. This year's Independence Day celebration have been meticulously planned on an unprecedented scale to showcase and celebrate the deeper essence of magnificent India and its spectacular rise in eminence, while acknowledging, recognizing, and honoring those who have made stellar contribution to enrich Indian society in America that significantly influence their lives. We at FI are pleased to state that we have celebrated the festivals and significant events of India to help foster greater unity and instill interfaith harmony to celebrate the oneness of Indians. Allow me to submit that this celebration reflects the vigor, vibrancy, and soul of India and the effervescent life, the diaspora, their colors, music, food, faith, customs, language, festivals with a mission to bring the Indian communities together. I'm extremely fortunate to have been surrounded by some of the best enthusiastic minds and formidable team whose invaluable partnership in this journey of 15 years has been steadfast, abiding, and unwavering, and to them I offer my profound gratitude. Long live India, long live United States of America. Thank you.
Give a big round of applause for Mr. Sunil Shah. And Rita ji, it's India's Independence Day and we are celebrating. What do you have to say about India's Independence Day? Yeah, Mike.
हर करम अपना करेंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए. God bless America, God bless India, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Okay, all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, this event is not possible without the presence of these two and the president of FIA. Do you know who's the president of FIA? Pratibha Jairath. The Pratibha ji, please come onto the stage. the president of FIA. Woohoo! जोरदार तालियां प्रतिभा जी के लिए.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for joining us to celebrate anniversary of India's Independence Day. Being FIA president, and I'm proud to say, Army officer's daughter, I'd like to salute our flag and thank those who got us this freedom. So this salute is for sacrifice of those people. So final reason, besides Independence Day, besides FIA, the final reason to celebrate is we are honoring outstanding individuals who have not just accomplished a lot, but contributed to our community. And so here is my salute for those unsung heroes. Let us continue to strive for unity and excellence. Thank you.
Give a big round of applause for Pratibha Jairath, ladies and gentlemen. FIA has the executive board, and I would like to invite the two pillars of FIA, Vinita Gulabani and Neil Cote, on the stage, please. Wow, they're looking awesome. Neil bhai.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the 15th annual award of FIA Star Knights. Today is a celebration of independence, freedom, and recognition. While we celebrate our 77th and the 78th Indian Independence Day, I would like to recognize the sacrifices of our soldiers that have made the sacrifice to make us see the day of independence. So round of applause for those soldiers who sacrificed and give them a moment of recognition, please. Equally, while that is happening, I would like to recognize while we are having peace and harmony here, equally on some side of the world, our brothers are being massacred and things like on religious beliefs, things are happening. And I believe our congressman has stood up for it. Round of applause to the Congressman Raja to take the stance to recognize the atrocities that are going on around the world. I just want to stop at that. While today is the day of independence, day of recognition, it is for the true people that have sacrificed day in, day out in their work, business, profession, doctors, entertainers, restaurant owners from small to big businessmen. While nobody gets recognized, we as FIA want to recognize them, say that you have done something special. So round of applause for all the nominees, all the winners that are going to be selected. And this is what FIA has been doing 15 years. Round of applause to FIA too. Thank you. Jai Hind and God bless America.
I'll just say, आप यूं ही आते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और हम सबके साथ इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाते रहें. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Wow! Woohoo! Thank you, Vinita ji. Thank you, Neil bhai. Thank you so much. Thank you.
May I please welcome on stage Honorable Consul General of India, Mr. Somnath Ghosh.
Give a big round of applause for Mr. Somnath Ghosh, Consul General of India.
Happy Independence Day. The words Spurs said that touched my heart. India's independence was not only India's, it was freedom for the entire world.
Woohoo!
And it was literally so. You know, right after India's independence, within 20 years, within 2 decades, colonial rules all over the world, in Asia, in Africa, elsewhere, ended. So India's rise signifies freedom. Today, India signifies democracy. Where else you find 640 million people, 2/3 of the electorate going to vote and electing their government. India's contribution to democracy, India's contribution to freedom is important, critical, together with the United States. We are marching towards prosperity, towards innovation, and towards a new era of freedom and democracy. These two countries will be important. Long live the friendship between these two countries. God bless this beautiful country, and Jai Hind.
God bless America and Jai Hind. Thank you, Consul General.
Congressman from the 8th District, Mr. Raja Krishnamurthy.
Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
You know, this day, we obviously celebrate India's independence, but I think that we should celebrate Indian Americans. What do you think?
Absolutely.
Recently, a study was done on Indian Americans in the United States. You won't believe the results. 10% of all doctors are Desi.
Indians. Any doctors in the house? Doctors?
60% of all hotel rooms are owned by Desis.
Desis.
28 of the last 34 National Spelling Bee winners were
Desis.
I was not a National Spelling Bee winner, but do you know how to spell success? D-E-S-I. Desi. Am I right about that? Thank you so much. FIA, forever India and America. Thank you.
Big round of applause for Raja Krishnamurthy. We are really honored to have you here, Raja.
Okay, so the winner of the FIA Choice Award for All Around Excellence is Deepak Kant Vyas.
Mr. Deepak Kant Vyas, a big community leader and entrepreneur. He's done multiple initiatives. He's really very, very successful. We are really honored to have you, Deepak. Deepak, can we hear something from you? Okay.
Wow. I accept this on behalf of my 5,000 team members in 4 continents, and it's very humbling to receive this recognition. Thank you, all of you, for this gracious honor.
All right, thank you so much.
Deepak Bhai is a very good friend of mine, and we are so glad that after a long time he's here, and nice seeing you over here. Welcome.
Congratulations, Deepak Bhai. Thank you so much.
Let's put our hands together to welcome the legendary, the one, the only, Miss Jaya Prada.
As you know, Jaya ji has been doing a lot of charity work. She's done wonderful work for upliftment of girl child. This song is dedicated to Jaya's charity, Jaya ji's marvelous work. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Jaya Prada! जया जी, कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको हमारे इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन में शामिल होके?
सभी को नमस्कार। हमें यहाँ पे शिकागो में एक पावन दिन पर इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस डे के इस महोत्सव पर बुलाना, ये मेरे लिए गर्व की बात है। इस दिन का हमारे लिए जो लोग, जो योद्धा हम लोगों के लिए जो स्वतंत्रता दिलाने के लिए कोशिश किए हैं, उनके बलिदान को याद करना है। मैं उनको नमन करती हूँ, प्रणाम करती हूँ, जिन्होंने हमें स्वतंत्रता देकर उन्होंने अपने जान गंवाए हैं।
उन जवानों को मैं सैल्यूट करती हूँ, नमन करती हूँ।
Big round applause.
मैं कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहती हूँ FIA फेडरेशन को एंड सुनील जी को, रीटा जी, प्रतिभा जी और वनिता जी और
Neil Kote, he's not here.
नील कोट जी को मैं सभी को कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहती हूँ। इट्स ए वंडरफुल फेडरेशन हु हैज़ गिवन सो मच ऑफ सपोर्ट एंड दे आर द ब्रिजिंग टुवर्ड्स द इंडिया एंड शिकागो। कितने आर्टिस्ट लोगों को बुलाते हैं, कितने कलाकारों को बुलाकर सम्मान करते हैं, पहचान देते हैं। उसमें मैं भरत जी को क्रेडिट देना चाहती हूँ एंड इट इज़ नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी थिंग। एंड ये संस्था जो है लोगों को जहाँ पे उनके जो इमिग्रेशन का प्रॉब्लम हो या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, यहाँ पे उनके समर्थन करते हैं। थैंक यू सुनील जी, आप लोगों और रीटा जी एंड प्रतिभा जी, उनके जो नेतृत्व में जो काम आप लोग समाज के लिए उनके नीड के हिसाब से आप लोग काम करते हैं। और ये 1 साल नहीं है, 15 साल से ये इनका जो फेडरेशन ऐसे काम करते हैं जो समाज को ऐसे जुड़ा कर जो काम करने वाले हैं। मेरा बेटा सम्राट और मैं यहाँ आते ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और यहाँ पे उपस्थित सभी के लिए मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ। मैं जयाप्रदा, आपके बिना मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ। जो कुछ भी आज मैं हूँ, मैं आपके वजह से हूँ।
Ladies and gentlemen, big round applause for Jayaprada ji, the legend of Indian cinema. It's our honors that she's on stage with us. Jaya ji, thank you so much. Let's take a picture. मोहन, अवार्ड कैटेगरी का नाम बताइए।
अवार्ड कैटेगरी का नाम है टाइमलेस आइकॉन इंडियन सिनेमा।
And the award goes to none other than Jayaprada ji. Yes! Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Come on, Chicago, put your hands together for the legendary Jayaprada ji.
थैंक्स टू ऑल। रिकग्नाइज करके मुझे जो काम मैंने फिल्मों में और समाज के लिए किया उसके लिए आप सब ने पहचान कर मुझे एक्नॉलेज दिया है ये पुरस्कार। एंड आई फील वेरी प्राउड एंड दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन।
Please give a big round of applause for Jaya ji. We are really honored. We are blessed to have you here, Jaya ji. Indian cinema की most iconic image is Jaya ji with us. The next award is a special award. This is the Community Leader of the Year award. This is the Popular Choice Award.
And the award goes to Bharat Barai.
Dr. Bharat Barai. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Bharat Barai.
Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Dr. Bharat Barai. Dr. Barai is a big community leader who's been doing wonderful community service. Can we give a microphone?
Jaya ji, Sunil Bhai and friends, I am humbled by this honor, though really it belongs to a lot of volunteers in our community. Many of you are sitting here, and it's my pleasure to work with all of you for the benefit of our community, as well as to represent the cause of people of India. So, thank you very much. We'll continue to work and hope that we can do better for our community. Jai Hind.
Big round of applause.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ਹੈ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਹਾਲੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਸਾਫ਼ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਰਾਦਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਬਾਲੀ ਲੰਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖੀ ਹੈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਨੇ ਹੈ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਪਰਾਡਾ ਸਟਾਪ ਫਿਕਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਟੀਨੋ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੱਸ ਦੋ ਜੀ ਇਹਨੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਸ਼ਕੀਨੋ ਕੱਲ ਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਇਟਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਮਰ ਜਾਣੀ ਤੇ ਪਰਸ ਤੂੰ ਪੈਰਿਸ ਤੋਂ ਮੰਗਾਇਆ ਵੈਲੈਂਟੀਨੋ ਹਾਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਦਿਖਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੀ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਲਿਖਾਂ ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੌਬਾ 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 ਤੌਬਾ